Okay, so I am super excited. I got this ScrawlrBox subscription from my friend Claire for my birthday, and it just arrived, and I'm so excited. So I wanted to wait and open it up for you guys. Let me see, did I open this part yet? Yes, this side. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see. Oh, maybe that wasn't where I was supposed to do it. Let's see. Yes, I use nail clippers to open boxes. It's just how I work. Let's see. That one. That one. That one. Yay! Okay. Are you guys excited? Because I'm super, super excited. Oh, that made a whole lot of sense here, opening this box. Well, at least they package it well. Oh, I'm so bad at this. Okay. Are you guys ready? I'm so excited. Okay. Let's see. Oh, cool. There's a Artline collapsible zippered pencil case. Looks like. I wonder if my Tombos will fit in here. Let's see. Yay, the Tombos would fit. That's awesome. Okay. And cute little thing all wrapped up in tissue paper. And a awesome sticker. Scribbly sticker. And a card. It says the Scrawler Challenge. Each month we provide you with a selection of art supplies and inspirations, but we also want to boost your creativity, so we're giving you a challenge to be interpreted in any way you wish. See if you can create something using only the supplies in the box. Good luck, and don't forget to share your creations with us. Scrawler Challenge. And it says take flight. Oh, and on the back it tells me everything that's in here. This is cool. So this month's feature supply is pencils, but they're not just any pencils. These pencils have a few tricks up their sleeve. Explore the various techniques and marks that can be made or erased and let your creativity soar. We have a Derwent Graphitint pencil. It says these pencils offer an exciting range of tinted graphite leads that combine the drama and creativity of graphite with a hint of soft, subtle color. Ooh, that sounds so awesome. They are also water soluble, and the subtle colors become more vibrant if you add a little water. So let's see if we can find that. Oh, cool. All right, let's see. We have 6 Derwent Fine Art pencils. Let's see these pretty babies. Ooh, look at that. Okay. So the colors are Cloud Gray, number 22, White, number 24, Shadow, which is like a bluish gray color, number 5, Midnight Black, right here, which is number 20, ooh, Aubergine, which is number 3. It's a beautiful purpley color. And Ivy, number 11, which is a lovely green. Those are pretty. I like that color combination. Okay, so I'll put those back in the box for now. 6 pencils, that's awesome. And we've got a mapped XPert eraser. It says the ergonomic design makes them easy to hold and use. The precision eraser is perfect for detailed or broad areas. Being dust-free means tidy single-strand rubbings. Great addition to any pencil case. I love pencils like this, or erasers like this. This one is a dust-free eraser. White Peps. PVC free. These are awesome. I have, where did I put my mono eraser? There it is. My mono eraser here, which I don't believe is PVC free. I think this is a plastic eraser. But we'll see that one. That one's cool. And then, let's see, the Artline pencil case, which is long enough to hold Tombos. And Derwent single hole metal sharpener. Right here. Tiny. It's got a nice little, there we go. Very lightweight though. The compact and lightweight pencil sharpener is the easy way to achieve the perfect point. The metal sharpener is designed to fit all standard sized pencils and sharpens to a fine point. We will test that out. And then, let's see, Norfolk. Ooh, that's pretty. Very pretty. Featured artist is Lisa Clow, or Cloth. I think it's Clow. I've been a professional artist for 21 years, selling my own work while teaching art classes. In 2012, I started creating painting and drawing videos and tutorials on YouTube in multiple mediums. These videos allow me to teach other artists from around the world in both technical skill and in art business and social media, all while creating the work I love. I'm pretty sure I have the best job ever. Yes, you do. Primarily work in colored pencil, acrylics, oil paint, graphite, and ink tints, which are acrylic inks. In addition to my YouTube art lessons, I'm the co-host of the Colored Pencil podcast and a contributor to the Colored Pencil magazine. And it's got her website and YouTube channel. I'll link that in my YouTube video for sure. This is so pretty. I love it. And then we have Norfolk cartridge paper. It's very thick and textured, like a, I don't want to say it's watercolor paper, but it says it's a wood-free and acid-free cartridge paper with a matte white surface, great for pencil drawing. Note, if you are adding water to these pencils, use moderately, as this paper is not designed to hold lots of water. Thank you for telling me that, ScrawlrBox. It's wood-free and acid-free. It makes me want to rip it and see what it's made out of. Maybe it's just recycled paper. What do you guys think? Is this like that stone paper that they talk about? Or is it just because it says wood-free? Is it recycled? But recycled paper would still have wood. I don't know. Anyway. And then, oh, there's another piece of it in here. And then there is, oh boy, cherry flavor. I don't know if I can share this with Sophia, but it's a Chupa Chups or Chupa Chups. It's like a little surprise candy. Filled cherry flavor candy. It's soft. Oh, look. You can see it's got like the cherry flavor, and then there's like some kind of filling in there, which is probably cherry flavor, but it's white. How cute! Well, I am super duper excited to work on this project. Don't know about birds. Especially not realistic like this. This is amazing. I don't know that I could do that. I'll have to see. I'll have to see what I can come up with these pencils and the eraser and the sharpener and the Artline pencil case. I'm so excited for that too, because it really like gives me a good way to carry some Tombos and stuff around with me. So, all right, so I will start working on something with this, and we'll see what we come up with. I'll be right back.